Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you about the Madhubani art. Madhubani art form is the Indian traditional folk art form belonging to the Mithila region of Bihar. Traditionally, these paintings were done on the walls and floor of the city. They used natural dyes and pigments that were derived from local plants, cow dung and soot. These ingredients create vibrant colors that characterize Madhubani art. Intricate line drawings and geometric patterns are used here to depict Hindu mythology, nature, and daily life scenes. In modern days, these paintings are done even on paper and cloth with acrylic and other types of colors using fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens, and matchsticks. Artists use specific symbols and patterns representing various concepts. For example, fish symbolizes fertility, good luck, and procreation, while peacocks represent love, religion, and romance. In this video, I have used acrylic color on MDF board. These artifacts can be used either as home decor or tea coasters or even for gifting purposes. Generally, the picture is started with border sketching. Then the layout of the painting is defined. Repeating patterns are made to add detailing. Coloring is started with the background color. Then contrast colors are used to fill the figures in the foreground. Natural objects like the sun, the moon, and the religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted, along with the scenes from the royal court and social events like weddings. In these paintings, generally no space is left empty. The gaps are filled by paintings of flowers, animals, birds, and even geometric designs.